Rocketing to success, understanding, rocketing reputation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, rocketing reputation. It's a powerful expression that you might come across in news articles, business discussions, or even casual conversations. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your own communications. Rocketing reputation refers to a situation where someone's or something's reputation is increasing very quickly and significantly. Just like a rocket soars high up into the sky at incredible speed, a rocketing reputation means that the perception of a person, company, or product is improving rapidly in the eyes of others. It implies a swift and substantial boost in how positively someone or something is viewed. To get a better grasp of how rocketing reputation is used, let's look at a few examples. 1. In the business world, the startup's innovative approach to sustainability has led to its rocketing reputation among environmentally conscious consumers. 2. In the entertainment industry, thanks to his breakthrough role in the blockbuster movie, the actor's reputation has been rocketing among both fans and critics. 3. In social media, with her engaging content and positive messages, the influencer's reputation has been rocketing across various platforms. Understanding this phrase can help you discuss topics related to sudden improvements in status or popularity. Here are a few tips on using it. In conversation, when talking about someone's success or a brand's growing popularity. In writing, use it to describe rapid increases in positive recognition in articles, reports, or essays. Listening comprehension. Recognize it in news segments, podcasts, or interviews to understand the context of someone's or something's rapid rise to fame or acclaim. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, rocketing reputation. It's a vivid expression that can add dynamism to your English conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it when you come across a situation where someone or something is gaining positive recognition rapidly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.